Happy Valentine's to every one of you outside there. It's quite lovely, it's quite amazing. I really do appreciate the way you show love to me, the way you watch my show, the way you subscribe my channel, the way you share. Wow, it's quite amazing. The way you drop your comments, the feedback are just so warming. Happy Valentine's. Today on this special day, we are going to roll with a chocolate cake. Quite a perfect, amazing cake for this Valentine. Please show something special for someone you love today. It can also be through this kind of a recipe that I'm going to show you. It can arouse so much happiness. Show something for someone you love today. Mark your day. Happy Valentine once again, and stay tuned.
It's delicious with Irene.
So my dear Valentines, this is all the ingredients we need for our amazing yummy chocolate cake of our special day. And first of all, we need 4 eggs. And we also need a nougat cream or nougat cream, or you can also use Nutella. We need milk and of course butter. We need berries, but the berries will come as a decoration on top, as well as some chocolate chips. And of course we need flour, we need sugar. And here we have a dark chocolate. I always love to use this dark chocolate with the normal Nutella. It kind of neutralizes the taste because it's like the cacao, which is 75%, and it makes it to be not like super sweet. It kind of stay there in the middle. And I will also use Backpulver and vanilla sugar, or even if you have any other of vanilla essence which is in a liquid form, it is also very fine. So this is all we need for our chocolate cake. So my beautiful people, now we are going to put our good amazing mixture all together in our mixer. I will start with sugar. We like regardless with what you start with, because it's all gonna mix itself here inside. Exactly. This sugar is 150 grams. And of course I will pour this black powder of chocolate, dark chocolate, like 3, so to say 4 tablespoons. And then I will pour the flour, which is 500 grams. And then we will put our vanilla flavor, which is 8 grams. And of course we will put our baking powder, which is 15 grams. And then we will come to our 4 eggs, all inside. And of course we will put 3 big tablespoons of nougat cream or Nutella. This will depend with how people love the chocolate, but 3 tablespoons should be enough. Yeah, it's our chocolate cake. Yay! That. And of course I pour some milk, which is 250 milliliter. last but not least, we pour our butter. So now I close and ready for the action. So our mixture is very ready. For my machine, it just goes with 3 minutes, very fast. It's quite amazing, but it might differ based with the machine. So even if you use with the hand, exactly. So yeah, so this is our mixer. So let's try to get this out so that we can be able to, yeah. So this is how it looks like. Yummy, yummy already. Smelling choco choco. Yeah. So we pour it in our bag form that I already prepared. Look how it flows. So this is how amazing it is. Wow. Wow. My dear Valentines, our mixture is very ready. It looks so inviting, and now it's heading to the oven. Yeah. Good 60 minutes and we will be back.
It's delicious with Irene.
So welcome back once again, and now while we wait that our cake is in the oven getting ready, we are preparing the topping. I told you today we are going to do an amazing special cake for our Valentine. So here what I do have is whipped cream and also cream stiff. Exactly. Actually, you can just use this, but this is really helpful. If you use this cream stiff, it helps the whipped cream to stay so long regardless of what. In some areas we have sun, we have this. We don't want the whipped cream to keep on melting and just explode and just destroy everything. So once we do a combination, the both of these, your cake is assured to be very strong with its whipped cream wherever you are going. So let's start the show. So each of these is like 200 grams. So this is 200 grams, and of course so here is our cream stiff, which is very, very important. And so our good 3 minutes are over. So now we're going to remove this. So this is how it has to look like. With the whipped cream, in reality, you cannot do with just a hand like this. There has to be, you have to do it with a machine because it really needs power. Yeah. So we can pour our whipped cream here inside. And of course, after this, I'm going to put this or place this in our fridge so that it can remain cool while waiting for our cake. Oh yeah, our chocolate cake is very ready. It's smelling so good, and as you can see, it just came out so good. Wow, what a great result. So we will leave this cake like for 30 minutes to just cool down. Here it's really cold, so it will cool down very fast, but we have to make sure, as long as we want to decorate it with the cream, we have to wait it to really cool down until it's like really cold, so that our cream cannot maybe melt and become watery. So see you very soon. My dear Valentines all over the world, it's a high time that we now decorate our cake. Our cake is very cool, and I will show you the very simple way to decorate our cake. So here is our whipped cream that we prepared before, and here we got some berries, and here we have some chocolate chips, exactly. And here is we have a zip bag that I used. It's a very tricky. So what I did is, if you don't have that decoration equipment, you just do like this, and you do this, and I will show you later what I will do with this. Quite amazing. So now let's go straight with the whipped cream. Yeah. So we're gonna divide it all over. Here we can use this to just make sure that it's in a good shape. As you can see, the leveling of our cake is done very well. So now we're going to go to the second step, where I will be pouring this whipped cream here in our zip bag, and you will see what will follow. Exactly. And as the moment you finish, here's our zipper. As you can see, you have to do something like this. Exactly, and it become like a pencil, or how you feel comfortable much more to hold, like this. And I'm gonna take a scissor. Yeah, it worked. So first you have to pour on another spot to see if the size that you want is really there, and exactly this is what I want. So I'm gonna go direct to my cake and start with one corner. I'm gonna make like a round like this, something like a mountain, and then I'm going to go to the other side. Why I start to go to the angles this first, so that I am sure whenever you are done with this, you know your angles are ready, and then where else you have to go as next. So after making these 4 angles, I go increasing them, and you make your circle much more wider, And then you come to this side as well, and this side as well. You see, and then you can make it more tight. Yeah, and here. Put this first aside. I wanna take our berries, and now it's a high time for our berries. And guess what? They are going to be here on top. Wow, is this not amazing? It looks such very beautiful and very actually easy. No magic at all, just simple like this. But your cake is just more than amazing. So my dear people, look how beautiful it looks now. And I'm going to add another decoration since this is our very special day. And guess what I'm going to make here? It is a heart. Ooh. Wow. Perfect. So look at this beautiful heart here in the middle. So I'm gonna put inside some of our cherries to give much more berries, to give much more definition of the heart that we did. Wow, is this not beautiful? Wow, this is just amazing. Yeah, so after doing this, much more definition of course is about to come. We take our chocolate chips and we put them aside like this. Wow, what a great result. Is this not amazing? I'm so impressed. Wow, wow, wow. Really, this is something that you have to try today to just impress, to keep the smile for the one you love, for the one who is just close to you. This is amazing. Thank you very much for you, for everyone who is just watching me right now. I cannot wait to taste this cake. Sad enough, I cannot taste this cake here today in front of you because you know what? I am going to wait for my Valentine so that we can break this all together. Will you be my Valentine of the day? If you're close to me, if you're close to where I live, you can drop a comment and we can share this beautiful, amazing Valentine cake together. Yeah, thank you very much for being with me from the beginning till the end of this show. I hope you're still gonna have a very amazing, wonderful Valentine, and drop your comment and tell me, what did you surprise the one you love, the one who is special for you? Was it this cake or was it something else? That will be sweet. Till next time, bye bye.